Imagine this. You take one step forward and the ground under your feet is hotter than an oven. You take another step and suddenly darkness surrounds you with a cold that can freeze metal. Welcome to Mercury, the planet where day and night can kill you in two completely different ways. So, what will happen if a human actually tries to work on Mercury? Let's find out. If you love exploring strange, extreme, and mysterious worlds, make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's begin our journey. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and also the smallest in our entire solar systems. Think of it as tiny, airless, burning rocks moving extremely fast around the Sun. Because it's so close, sunlight hits it with full power with no atmosphere to protect it. Here's where things get crazy. On the day side, the surface heats up to 430 Celsius degrees, hot enough to melt metal. But when the planet rotates and night arrives, the temperature suddenly drops to 180 minus Celsius degrees, colder than any place on Earth. This massive temperature change happens because Mercury has no atmosphere, no air, no clouds, no wind, nothing to hold heat. If you walk on Mercury, you'd be standing on a world that burns you alive on one side and frees you instantly on the other. Mercury has almost zero atmosphere, which means no oxygen to breathe, no blue sky, no protection from the sun, no weather, direct radiations hitting your body. If you try to work here without a special space suit, you wouldn't survive even a few seconds. Mercury's ground looked a lot like the moon. Thousands of craters, sharp rocks, dust everywhere, long dry valleys. Walking here would be difficult. Your footsteps would leave marks of the dust, marks that could stay there millions of years because there is no wind to erase them. Mercury's gravity is only 38% of Earth's, so you would feel extremely light. If you jump on Mercury, you will go higher almost like slow motion. But your lightness will not save you from the extreme temperatures. One day on Mercury equals to 59 Earth days. So once the sun rises, it stays in the sky for many Earth weeks. And when night comes, the darkness remains for many weeks too. A walk on Mercury isn't just dangerous. It feels like walking in a world where time itself moves differently. If you look up at the sky, the sun appears 3 times larger than it does on Earth. Its brightness is so strong that it could blind you instantly. You need special protection just to look out around. Life as we know it cannot survive here. No water, no air, deadly heat, freezing nights, high radiations, weak magnetic field. Mercury is one of the most lifeless places in the solar system. So, what really happens if you walk on Mercury? You would step into a world where you melt in the day, you freeze at night, you breathe nothing, you face deadly radiations, your suit gets destroyed, and your footprints last forever. Mercury is a planet that welcomes no one but challenges your imagination. If you enjoyed exploring Mercury and want more journeys like this, subscribe, leave a comment, and share what planet you want to visit next. And don't forget to check my previous video, Why the Sky is Dark at Night. It connects perfectly with this topic. This universe is full of strange places, and each one of has story waiting to be discovered. Let's explore the next one together.